All right, guys. Today's video, there's a new TAKATA Airbag recall out. It's coming out. This is going to affect Volkswagen. This is actually going to be a underinflating situation where the old TAKATA Airbag on Toyota and BMW and all that kind of thing was there was shrapnel came out and killed you instead of the crash killing you, right? This is a little bit different. Like I said, it's going to be a Volkswagen. We don't know yet if it's going to affect the Porsche stuff or what it's going to affect. I'll put a link in the description. You guys read it for yourself and, decide yourself. Now, I currently have two or three BMWs here that have the airbag recall. Here's the problem. They send me stuff all the time. When I say all the time, at least twice a week. I get stuff in the mail from them, want me to bring it up. Here's the issue. I'm 2 hours away, a little over 2 hours away from the closest BMW dealership, right? So one of them is the X5. I don't trust that car to even drive that far. Then for that case, I have to haul it, right? So they called me a while back and said, you have to do this. You got to do this. I said, hey man, how about this? I'll pop it was all driver airbag. I'll pop them out. It took me 5 minutes. I'll ship them all to you. Once you get them, you could put the new ones in a box and send them back. Nope, I'm not going to do that. So to pop one of those steering wheel airbags out, 20 seconds? I could do it in. They should be able to do it in 20 seconds too, but they'll make an all-day affair out of that deal. And to get 3 cars transported that far away is a monumental amount of time. That's why I haven't done it. All right. So hopefully this isn't the same situation. I don't know. I guess we have to go to the Porsche dealer. We'll take the Cayman up there. Why they're fiddling with that, we'll hop in something else and drive and make a video about it. I don't know. Whatever it takes, right? The BMW stuff, there's nothing there I want to do that with. And that's where we end up with that. So if you guys think you might be affected, I'll put the link in the description. It doesn't say yet exactly what cars are affected, but it will, I'm sure, very soon. And if yours is affected, trust me, you'll know. They'll be sending you letters in the mail bitching at you and all that good stuff. So other than that, the next video, guys, we finally drove the Cayman. Everything's good with it. No check engine light, nothing funky. The tie rods came in. The next video will be putting the tie rods on. And then I think we'll also show you how to string line align that car. And that'll help a lot of you guys out if you ever have to do that, or you ever do control arms on one, or you just want to check yours. Essentially, all you need is some fishing line or some arrangement of string. We'll show you how to do all that. Let me see what else. What's next in that car? Brake pads. We'll be doing that coming up. We'll be sprinkling in some other videos of different Porsche stuff. Just kind of doing a little bit of everything. And other than that, still looking for something crazy. Probably by the end of the year, I'm going to have to buy something else. And because it won't work out for me with Uncle Sam if I don't. So let's see how all that works out. I'd like to buy something else for this channel. We have not been posting on the BMW channel. That channel is doing so well. I hate to even post on it. I hate to even touch it. I hate to even log into it. I hate to even look at it. The lotto ticket videos are earning money at a biblical proportion, like a lot. So we'll let that ride out. If you guys watch the BMW channel, I haven't posted on there in over 2 weeks. I'm very sorry, but some of those videos are earning at 33 CPM and they're turning big views. I don't want to touch nothing on it. So great opportunity for me to load this channel full of stuff. And so we kill 2 birds with 1 stone. And there we are. Everything's great, right? Let's hope it stays that way throughout the end of the year. We have election coming up Tuesday. Let's hope that doesn't dramatically affect our CPM situation with YouTube. Depends on how it goes. It very well might be a fatal blow to everybody's YouTube channel, right? So take that for as you will. We'll be back very soon tomorrow with the tie rod and alignment video. Thanks, guys. We'll see you later.